Welcome back. In this Google Drive video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share files or folders in Drive with others. So first, I'll start off by showing you how you can share a folder with someone else. So you need to have a folder created first, and you can do that by going to the New button and making one there. But if I made a folder and I have a bunch of different files in here, and if I want to share this folder with other people, I have some options. So I can go ahead and up here, click the top in the name of the folder, and I have some options. If I do get link, then it's opening up some options here for me to get a shareable link for this folder. If it's a shareable link, then anyone who has this link has view only or edit access to it. So I can change it to where anyone with the link can view. I can also change it to maybe where they're an editor or a commenter. Notice that if you give someone editing access to a folder, they can edit and delete and rearrange files there. So just be careful about those settings. The other thing that I can do is if I want to share this with individual people, I can also click the name here or the little person icon now that I've changed my settings. And if I go to share, I can also just start typing in people's names and share with them there. So you have some options and how you can do that if you would like. Now let's say that, for example here, I have a specific file that I want to share with someone. So maybe it's just one file versus a whole folder. Now, if you go ahead and you change your share settings for a folder and there are files within that folder, it will change all of your files within that to have the same setting. So it applies it to the whole level. But if I want to share this particular picture with someone, I can just click share, start typing in their names up here, and it will send it to them, and I can give them view or edit access to this. I can also do the same thing here with a link. If you're set up with a Google organization, then it might be only people within your Google domain, which is for me, my school district. Otherwise, you can change that to where anyone with the link can access, whether they're a viewer or an editor. You have those options there. So those are just some quick tips for navigating Google and sharing files.